Good afternoon, my dear students. I will teach today Lagrange mean value theorem. Okay? Yes. I am writing. Look at here. Lagrange mean value theorem. Okay? Mean value theorem. In previous class, already discussed your Rhodes theorem. Okay, all of you know, no problem is the Rhodes theorem. Yes. Now, regarding the just telling a statement. Similar way, just you remember. Okay, a function is continuous. First of all, continuous in the closed interval. Okay, and a function also differentiable in the open interval. Okay, open interval differentiable, and here fa not equal to fb. Keep in mind, fa not equal to fb. No need. Only two conditions are there. Okay, and similar way to verify for Lagrange mean value theorem, there exists at least one value of x. Say x equal to c such that f dot c equal to fb minus f of a by b minus a. Right first. I'm telling right. First of let f of x be a function. Let fx be a function such that the function is continuous in the closed interval. Keep in mind, closed interval AB. Okay, let fx be a function such that the function is continuous in the closed interval AB. Okay, number 2, write f of x or f of x, right, is differentiable in the open interval. Fx is differentiable in the open interval. Okay, AB, right, open interval. Keep in mind, no need to change. Understood? Here closed continuous and open differentiable. Okay, so here only two conditions. Okay, so write all the condition of Lagrange mean value theorem is satisfied. All the condition, that is two conditions, are satisfied. To verify, right, to verify there exists at least one value of x, say x equal to c, such that f dot c equal to, no, they are not 0. Keep in mind, f dot c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Okay, from here you find the value of c. Okay, then which belongs to AB, Okay, first of all, fx be a function such that the function is continuous in the closed interval AB. Important, closed interval. Keep in mind, fx is differentiable in the open interval AB. Open, this is open interval, first bracket, and closed third bracket. To verify there exists at least one value of x, say x equal to c, such that f dot c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Keep in mind, f dot c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Okay, okay. So from here with the value of get C which belongs to always AB. Thus If C belongs to AB, then Lagrange value theorem is verified. Otherwise, not verified. Keep in mind, the value of C always lie between A and B. Okay? Okay, right. Okay? Yes, right. F dot C equal to FB minus B minus A by AB minus FA by B minus C, where C belongs to AB. Okay? Okay. Yes, I am telling geometrical significance. See, suppose any car. So suppose A is a car, F is a car. Okay? Here, see. So this is x equal to B. So this is x equal to A. Okay? So this point will be f of A. This is f of B. Okay? F of B. Join here. So this is a tangent parallel. This is also parallel. This is tangent at the point C. Okay? So here f dot C, see here f dot C always equal to f of B minus f of B by B minus A. This value is f dot C equal to f of B minus f of A by B minus A. This is f dot C. Okay, right. Yeah, tangent. See, this is a tangent. Okay. Yes. Yeah, equal to no problem is there. Okay. F of B minus f of A this part by B minus A equal to f dot C. Okay. Okay. Now this here, keep in mind, in ISC, here Lagrange is very important. Okay. All of you practice nicely at home. This year it is very important for ISC exam. Lagrange mean value theorem is very important for board exam 2021. Okay, it's very important. Now I am giving one application. See, right? Suppose f of x equal to, right, 2x minus x square, fx 2x minus x square in the interval 0, 1. Okay, first write. So given function is, see, 2x minus x square is polynomial function, so it is continuous. So write fx is a polynomial function, right? Fx is a polynomial function. Okay, so it is continuous in the closed interval, AB, that is 0, 1. Fx is a polynomial function, it is continuous in the closed interval 0, 1. Okay, number 2, f of x is differentiable at in the open interval, okay, in the open interval 0, 1. So right, all the condition of Lagrange mean value theorem is satisfied. All the condition of Lagrange mean value theorem is satisfied. Written. Now to verify right, to verify there exists at least one value of x, one value of x such that f dot c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Right. Now see, f of x is twice x minus x square. So f dash x, yes, 2 minus 2x. So right, f dot c, right, 2 minus twice c. Okay. See, f of x is given. So f dot x is there, 2 minus twice x. So 2 minus twice c equal to, you put the value f of b, see, this is 0 each, 0 a, b each 1. F of b may just put value 1 here, 1. You put 2 into 1 minus 1 will be 1. Okay, 2 into 1 minus 1. Okay, so it will be 1 minus f of a, 0, you put 0. See, f 0, 0 by b minus a, 1 minus 0, 1, that is 1. Okay, so right, minus 2c equal to 1 minus 2, this is minus 1. Okay, so c equal to half. See, the value of c equal to half, 1 by 2, which belongs to 0, 1, is it? Yes, c equal to half, so it will be 0, 1. Okay, my dear students, all of you understood? Yes, very good. C equal to half. Okay, c belongs to this, so thus Lagrange mean value theorem is verified. Lagrange mean value theorem is verified. Next one. Next one, very important sum, right? F of x equal to, right, 2 sin x plus sin 2x. Very important. 0 pi. This sum is very important for ISC exam, board exam. Okay. F of x equal to 2 sin x plus sin 2x. 0 pi. This sum is very, very important for ISC exam 2021. Very important sum. Okay. Right, first. So here trigonometry function must be continuous. Right. F(x) is continuous in the closed interval 0 pi. F(x) is continuous in the closed interval 0 pi. Number 2, right, f dot x, find f dot x is 2 cos x plus 2 cos 2x, written sin x cos x and sin 2x, all of you know, 2 cos 2x. So f dot x, 2 cos x plus 2 cos 2x. Okay, right, f of x is differentiable in the open interval. Okay, open interval 0 pi, open interval. F of x is differentiable in the open interval. To verify there exists at least one value of x, say x equal to c, such that, right, f dot c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Right. To verify there exists at least one value of x, say x equal to c, such that f dot c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. F dot c equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. Okay, that's right. Put the value f dot c. Here x is given c, so 2 cos c plus 2 cos 2c. So write 2 cos c plus 2 cos 2c equal to, right, fb. You put 0 pi, sin pi also 0 and sin 0 also 0. So right hand side is 0. Right. 2 cos c plus 2 cos 2c equal to 0. Okay. Right. Ready? F dot c fb minus f of a by b minus a. Just you put the value. See, right hand 0 is there, so take 2 common, will be this side also 0. So right, cos c plus cos 2c. Right, cos c plus cos 2c equal to 0. You can apply cos c plus cos d formula, or cos 2c you can write 2 cos square c minus 1. Cos 2c you can write 2 cos square c minus 1. So write 2 cos square c minus 1 plus cos c equal to 0. So write 2 cos square c plus cos c minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, all of you know Middleton factors, so easy factors. Right, 2 cos square c plus 2 cos c minus cos c minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, 0. Right, 2 cos c common, so here cos c plus 1 minus 1 common. Right, cos c plus 1 equal to 0. So cos c plus 1 into 2 cos c minus 1 equal to 0. So write cos c equal to half. Don't take minus 1. If cos c equal to minus 1, then c equal to pi, cos pi. Okay, minus 1. So in between 0 pi. Okay, you will not take this value. This is closed. Okay, so write cos c equal to half. If cos c equal to half, then c equal to pi by 3, 60 degree. So which belongs to right? 0 pi. Okay, 0 pi. Thus, okay, see 0 pi in between this, pi by 3 is there. So 0 pi. Okay. Yes, right. Now I am giving homework, right? You will do at home. Right, f of x equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 in the interval 0 and half. Okay, in the interval 0 and half. Okay, right. Okay. Okay. And previous class I already given few homework. Okay, there also Lagrange's main-pole theorem is there. That is enough. You have to practice, very important. Okay, whatever I gave in worksheet, these are very important for IC exam. Okay, okay. And next class I will teach integration. Okay, I will teach integration. Okay, okay, bye.